Hello students, welcome to banking classes. Dear students, till now we have understood what is bill of exchange, what is promissory note, what are the parties to bill of exchange, what are the parties to the promissory note. And now today I am going to discuss about similarities and difference between bills of exchange and check. Now dear students, what are the similarities between bill of exchange and check? तो बेटा थ्री पार्टीज होते हैं, ड्रॉअर, ड्रॉई एंड पे. ड्रॉअर एंड पे मे बी द सेम पर्सन. written and signed should contain an unconditional order to pay a certain sum of money only. Pay may endorse the instrument to another person. So these three terms are similar in case of bill of exchange and check. Now difference between bill of exchange and check, which is very important. Drawee may be anybody including a banker. In case of check, drawee is always a banker. क्योंकि बेटा बैंक ही चेक का पेमेंट कर सकता है, तीसरा बंदा पेमेंट नहीं कर सकता. Bills of exchange may be payable on demand or after the expiry of a specified period. Checks are always payable on demand. In bill of exchange, 3 days grace are allowed to the drawee for making the payment in case of bills payable after the expiry of the specified usance period. बेटा bill of exchange में 3 days of grace periods are allowed. Check is always payable on demand, so there is no question of 3 days of grace for payment. On the basis of dishonored, if bills of exchange, if dishonored, it should be noted and protested for filing a suit. A bank dishonored a check drawn on it only when the check is not payable for some reason, like for want of balance in the account of the drawer, so it cannot be protested. Now dear students, in case of dishonor of the bill of exchange, noting and protesting is another chapter which we will discuss later on. Stamp duty is applicable on bills payable after 90 days. Check being payable on demand, stamp duty is not applicable. A promissory note or bill of exchange cannot be crossed, check can be crossed. So hopefully you must have understood between the difference between bill of exchange and check. Now dear students, what is difference between promissory note and bill of exchange? Once again I have discussed in the accounts. Today I will give you the brief idea. Promissory note, as name indicates, promise. It contains a promise to pay. और bill of exchange बेटा it contains an order to pay. तो आप बेटा क्या करोगे? Promissory note में promise, bill of exchange में order. Primary liability is promissory note that maker. Promissory note में primary liability maker का होता है और यहाँ पे बेटा ड्रॉई का होता है. If the drawee fails, the liability will fall on the drawer. क्योंकि drawer is a person who has written the bill on drawee. Third बेटा, a promissory note has to be presented for payment only. A demand bill of exchange has to be presented for payment. तो दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या था बेटा? Presented for payment only और demand has to be presented for payment. तो difference इसमें देखो, not for the acceptance, since that means in case of promissory note acceptance is not required. In case of bill of exchange acceptance is required. ड्रॉई ने अपनी कंसेंट दे रखी है, yes I am ready to pay. Now students, the third point, initially there are two parties in case of promissory note, they are promisor and promisee, or initially there are three parties in case of bill of exchange, drawer, drawee and pay. Promissory note is drawn in the single copy of operative negotiable instrument. Negotiable Instrument Act provides bills of exchange has to be drawn in sets, one of them being satisfied, the other is automatically nullified. Promissory note cannot be drawn conditionally. Bill of exchange also cannot be drawn conditionally, but the acceptor, endorser can make it conditional by restricting the effect of the further endorsement. If promissory note is dishonor, notice of dishonor need not be given, और बेटा बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज में डिसऑनर की नोटिस आपको देनी पड़ेगी. सो बेटा टुडे you will write what are the similarities between bills of exchange and check, and the second question, what are the difference between bill of exchange and checks. Thank you.